In front of me is Nothing CMF Phone 2 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on Clipboard at the top of it. Then use this switcher at the top right corner to activate it, and go back thanks to this arrow at the top left one. Now you need to copy or cut any text, and to paste it instantly, click on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on, but within an hour, click on Clipboard and tap on your text here. To have it here longer than an hour, you need to pin it by holding it and using this pin icon. You can unpin it the same way. To delete it, you can hold it and use this pin icon, or simply swipe it. If you wish to disable Clipboard completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!